Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Today's topic is so useful. How to make a telephone call in English.
Yes. Even if your English is not perfect, you can still make a call if you know the right phrases.
Exactly. Sometimes people feel nervous about speaking on the phone because you can't see the other person's face.
Right. That's why it's good to learn some simple, polite sentences for calling.
Let's start with the beginning of a phone call. First, you say hello and introduce yourself.
Yes. For example, hello, this is Ben speaking. Vocabulary, speaking means I am the person talking.
Or, hello, my name is Emma. May I speak to?
That's polite. You can also say, could I speak to Mr. Smith, please?
Remember, adding please makes it polite.
And if you don't know the person's name, you can say, could I speak to the manager, please?
Let's teach some important telephone words. Dial, to press the numbers to make a call. Hold, to wait without ending the call. Transfer, to send the call to another person. Voicemail, a recorded message you leave when the person doesn't answer. Line, the phone connection.
Great. Let's give examples. Please hold while I transfer your call. Can I leave a voicemail?
Okay, Ben. Imagine you call me and I answer.
Sure. Pretending to call. Hello, this is Ben. May I speak to Emma?
Yes, speaking. How can I help you?
See? Simple and polite.
Another example. Caller. Hello, may I speak to Mr. Lee? Receiver. I'm sorry, he's not here right now. Can I take a message?
Vocabulary, take a message means write down information for someone.
If the person is not there, you can leave a message.
For example, could you tell him Ben called?
Or, please ask her to call me back.
Vocabulary, call back means return a call.
Sometimes it's hard to hear on the phone. What can we say?
You can say, sorry, could you repeat that please? Or, could you speak more slowly please?
Yes, and if you didn't understand one word, you can say, how do you spell that?
Example, my name is Lee, L-E-E.
It's important to end the call politely.
Yes, you can say, thank you for your help. Goodbye.
Or, it was nice speaking with you. Have a good day.
And don't forget to say goodbye before you hang up.
Let's do a friendly call.
Okay. Hi, Emma. It's Ben. How are you?
Hi, Ben. I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Are you free to meet for coffee this afternoon?
Yes, that sounds great. Now, let's do a business call.
Good morning. This is Ben from ABC Company. May I speak to Ms. Taylor, please?
Good morning. Ms. Taylor is not available right now. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Could you ask her to call me back at 555-1234?
Sure, I'll let her know. Sometimes the line is bad. You can say, I'm sorry, the line is bad. Could you speak up?
Or, I think we have a bad connection. Can I call you back?
If you dial the wrong number, say, sorry, I think I have the wrong number.
Today we learned dial, hold, transfer, voicemail, line, take a message, call back, repeat, spell, hang up.
Practice these words and phrases and you'll feel more confident on the phone.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one.
And give this video a like. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Take care, keep practicing English, and
Goodbye.